Hi kitty cats!
Hello.
Today is an unboxing, but not my stuff.
It's my stuff.
Bought some things for Bianca from Colourpop, and she's gonna show them off to you.
Yes, I like Powerpuff Girls.
And there goes Pancake. He's gonna knock over some other things of mine. That's great.
He's so angry. He's like the most angry boy.
Well, he hasn't gotten to go outside today, and that makes him mad.
We don't need this. First we got Thanks a Latte by Colourpop. Just gotta show it off.
Okay.
Colourpop.
Why is every cat in the house coming in here right now?
And sorry about the cough. We got Blossom.
Some cute little hair clips.
Because I really need hair clips. My hair's getting longer now. There's also other hair clips. There's also Buttercup. The favorite.
So, yeah, that's your favorite.
Yeah, I like the edgy girls. I also like Bubbles too, but I think Bubbles is more Girlia's favorite, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these Bubbles. And then you got Jump. Oh, you get some mojo jojo stuff.
So what is your favorite?
Yes, please tell me.
Which Powerpuff Girl are you?
And it can't be from the new reboot. Please not from the new reboot because sorry if you're a fan of it, but it's terrible in my opinion. Just from the clips, I just can't.
Okay.
Mojo Jojo color sticks.
Says that lipstick.
Yes. Oh look, it's so detailed. It's so detailed.
I don't know if they can see it.
It has Mojo Jojo on there. Yes, Mojo Jojo.
Colourpop usually has some pretty cool packaging.
Where's it? Liner. That was a lipstick, right? Just color stick.
I see it. So Mojo Jojo
Maybe it
color
could be used as
stick.
both. It's green though.
It says metallic.
It's green. I should probably just put this on my hand instead. Oh god. It's so green.
Oh yeah, that's really shiny green.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the other one too before I show off Mojo Jojo. This one is Princess Morbucks. I'm probably not pronouncing that right because, well, I don't like her.
Yeah, I don't remember her.
You don't remember her?
No.
She was basically the bully.
Oh. I can barely even see today. My eyes just are like
This is a nice blue.
super dry.
She makes a nice blue. Like, that's my favorite type of blue to look
That's
at.
very pretty blue. So it looks like eyeshadow sticks to me.
There we go. See? The green is Mojo Jojo and the blue is the Princess Bully.
Princess Bully.
That's what I'm calling her. People will know what I'm saying. If you don't, well, watch Powerpuff Girls, but the old generation, please. I'm gonna get sued for saying that, I bet.
Okay.
And then we got
Some cats getting into things.
croissant.
Croissant.
No. I want out.
We have to lock all our cats out.
Okay, we got. This The day is saved. Roller lip gloss, which has, of course, Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. Now, I'm gonna just get rid of that so that way.
Some pretty lip glosses.
I don't usually wear lip gloss because it's sticky, but I'll still move it.
I'm not a huge lip gloss
thing. Oh, I
person
forgot
either.
him.
Uh-oh, him.
I forgot him.
I actually really like that character.
Isn't him like a drag queen technically? I like to think of him as a drag queen. He's very feminine.
Very draggy.
Huh. For some reason, these three villains have the same colorations as the Powerpuff Girls.
Dun 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 dun.
Maybe, secretly, it is their alternative selves. But yeah, him is the red one. No, pay attention to me. There, him is the red one. But we love him. Him is like an icon, and you can't tell me otherwise. Like, he is a true icon. And we got some Powerpuff Girls. Fighting Crime. No, that's not what it is. Pressed Powder Blush. And another pressed powder blush. So they're both pressed powder blushes. I like how they put like the different colors in here.
Yeah.
Even though, yeah, this is.
One's called Saving the World.
And the other is called Fighting Crime.
There you go.
Maybe I should open it. Show people what Saving the World looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute.
The packaging is really cute. They even have stuff on the inside of the box.
I am a hoarder
really
as it is.
Cute.
Colourpop makes it worse.
It's a very pretty blush and a big amount of it. Like
It's a big amount. That'll last for a while.
Yeah.
Sorry if the mirror's reflecting, you guys. Here we'll have to deal with it. I'm gonna put it back.
So that was Saving the World.
Yeah.
Who knew that Saving the World was such a pretty color?
Everyone should save the world now. It's pretty. Fighting Crime. Watch this. This is a blue blush. Ooh, no, it's pretty. It's like a
magenta color.
Yeah, magenta. It's pretty. It's very pretty. Colourpop got it going on though with these designs.
So that was Fighting Crime.
Just Colourpop, can I work for you? I love making designs. Could I like also do some designs for you? Can we do a collab? Like, I would probably name one Pumpkin after my cat and another one Sugar and Fluff and there. Basically, it'll be stuff be named after my cats. And that'll include the cats that aren't with us anymore. Disrespect. Drama Bomb. Oh, this is a bubble bath bar.
Oh, that's cool.
I saw this actually on their site. It's like you can take a bit of it and use it as like part of your bubble bath. It's like a bath bomb, except you're supposed to take it apart and it's supposed to bubble up your bath. If you're taking a bubble bath, it will not.
It really doesn't.
Come on, it's pretty. There we go. There we go. Pretty.
It's not? Okay. That's a very nice scent.
Yeah.
It's lightly scented.
Packaging. I just like Alex walks in.
Alex won't be able to walk in here though because you locked the door.
Yep, they don't get to come in here. And then we got some overnight lip mask.
Oh, I love lip masks.
The duo, there's sugar and spice and everything nice.
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 Noise.
Nice.
Noise.
Why is that such a fun word to say?
I don't know.
Okay. Ooh, very classy. Bougie.
Bougie.
Bougie. I forgot how the song goes.
I feel like I'm gonna sneeze though. Okay. I feel like I'm going to, but nothing happens.
I was taking a moment of silence so that way
I
you
know.
could like cut it.
But it's not happening for whatever reason.
Sugar and spice lip mask. And it has a unicorn and the Everything Nice, I believe. This is, yeah, Everything Nice has a rainbow. So we'll show the,
Yay.
that's the colors. Woo.
I love lip masks.
Never used a lip mask.
You put it on before bed. And you just wear it overnight. It makes your lips all nice and soft. The final product.
Although there is actually more like eyeshadow stuff for the Powerpuff Girls, and we didn't realize. So like later I looked online and noticed there was like actual eyeshadow palette for Mojo Jojo. So at some point I'll probably get that myself. But this is the eyeshadow palette.
Oh, that's really pretty.
It's so pretty. Oh my god.
I like the greens and blues are really nice.
These blues are really nice. And the neutral colors are also pretty nice.
Yeah. So let's show everyone. Pretty palette.
As it all falls. That's the color palette. It's so pretty.
Yay, eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow. Oh, and this is what it looks like on the front. The girls. Surprised the professor wasn't included in any of the stuff. I don't like the professor.
Well, he's kind of a sexist.
Girls should not be fighting crime.
That secretary, we all know what's going on.
The secretary, you mean the mayor?
What?
The mayor.
Oh, yeah, it's the mayor. You said the professor. The professor is sexist.
Professor
It's the mayor.
accidentally made the girls.
Yeah.
The mayor
He's like
is
their dad. I got them confused for a minute.
It's like, you don't know your Powerpuff Girl knowledge.
I'm tired. Sometimes these things happen.
Excuses. That's all my mom's got.
Whatever.
Yes,
Whatever.
that's all I gotta say.
Okay. Is that everything?
That is everything.
So, that was the colourpop Powerpuff collection.
I might post swatches on Instagram.
So, on her Instagram.
Yes.
Not mine, but hers. She'll have to go find her Instagram. Which
It's Sinfulkitkat.
I'll put a link down below to her Instagram. But
It should be
and you can
on the same day that the
Yeah.
video is posted.
yeah, which is tomorrow probably.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna post this video tomorrow. Okay, so there you go. Remember to be safe out there, and remember to share, subscribe, and all that good stuff with this video. I hope you liked it, and see y'all soon. Love you.